Hi guys, Yi Hong, and I'm actually currently a student in computer science. What I was doing, I was in high school before that, and I only started learning after I got into university. I think it was from the encouragement from my parents, and also it was based on the market as well. It's a good field to work in, and to have a good career progression in it as well. My end goal is to enjoy this as not only as a career but also probably as a hobby, or using it to do things that I find important in, and also to benefit myself and the people that I work with. Yeah, when learning code, I think the hardest part is always to adapt to new things, new languages, new content that is posted, new versions of language and such. I think it's hard to get a good base fundamental and basic that requires you to that helps you eventually build up to where you want to be at. I think mainly was because of the way Sigma presented itself. I think it was pretty active on the web, and it was pretty modernistic as well. With the staff were pretty responsive, and I think but it's also very affordable. My learning at Sigma School so far is really great. I think the instructor is very attentive, and the peers are also very eager to learn and grow, and the content is also very digestible as well. I would say the people, I guess, especially the instructor and my peers. I think they are the people that I see daily during class. So I think just them being them, I think, and doing their part is as instructor and students is pretty wholesome. Yeah. Yeah. I definitely keep working on the boot camp. Even after boot camp, I'll just keep not only coding but also look jobs and apply what I've learned here to maybe continue in my university. Apply more knowledge and get better grades and get a better job and be more knowledgeable in this field.